So guys, welcome to the very first episode of Quick Draw. Basically gonna be a slimmed down version of my Sketching Out Loud series. It's gonna be me drawing while I do some random commentary in the background. Sometimes it might not even have any commentary, it might just be pure music playing in the background. I don't even know. I'm making this because I feel like some weeks it gets really hard for me to make a 10-minute commentary drawing video type thing, believe it or not. But at the same time, I sort of still want to keep that steady flow of uploads, as well as that steady dose of commentary practice that I get out of all this myself. So, I don't know guys, I never actually thought that commentating would be so difficult. Like, there's so many ways to screw it up. Most of the time, I gotta re-record a lot of my segments because I get anxious and then I mess up what I'm about to say, or you know, take too long getting to the point type thing. It's not really like having a conversation where your opponent, not really your opponent, but you know, the guy you're talking to, they sort of meet you halfway in a conversation. Like, you go mid-sentence, they understand what you're gonna say, and then you don't have to finish the whole thing. When you do commentary, it's like you gotta just do the whole thing and make sure you get straight to the point and don't beat around the bush too much. Anyways, these videos also gonna be pretty handy for me to post on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, because those, you know, those websites, they don't really like lengthy stuff. They don't, you know, 10 minutes, that's too long, man. That's like your whole lunchtime. 5 minutes, that's half your lunchtime. That's okay. Still kind of long though. I know, especially Instagram. I think I'm only allowed like a 1 minute type thing there, so I might just end up posting only drawings there. I don't really know. Anyways, just wanted to let you guys know what's up. I'm still gonna be continuing my other series. If anything, I think I'll be making more specific how-to draw videos later on down the line. And so stick around for that. If you're interested in learning how to draw anime, or you just want to talk about anime in general, or if you already know how to draw anime and you want to share your tips and tricks with beginners, come say hi over in my Discord server. The link is in the video description down below as usual. With that being said guys, that's gonna be me for another video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it guys. Take care.